In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Guard in Steam, and also how to remove the Steam Mobile Authenticator if you only want to stop using your phone for login codes. Just keep in mind that Steam Guard is an important security feature, so turning it off is not recommended unless you fully understand the risks. Disabling it can also create restrictions on things like trading and the community market. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Steam guides. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll show you how to disable Steam Guard on the desktop client. Open the Steam app on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to change. In the top left corner, click Steam, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens the main Steam settings window where you can manage account and security options. From the left-hand menu, click Security. In the Security section, you'll see the Steam Guard settings. Click Manage Steam Guard to open the security management options. Here, Steam gives you the choice to control how your account is protected. Select the option that says Turn Steam Guard off. Once you choose that, Steam will ask you to confirm your decision. Follow the prompts carefully, since this is a security-related change. In many cases, Steam will send a verification code to your email address, so you may need to check your inbox and enter that code before the change is completed. After confirming, Steam Guard will be disabled for your desktop account. Again, I want to stress that this removes a major layer of protection, so only do this if you really need to. Now, if your goal is not to fully disable Steam Guard, but instead to stop using the mobile authenticator on your phone, there's a separate process for that. This is useful if you want your account to still use email verification, but you no longer want to approve logins from the Steam mobile app. To do that, open the Steam mobile app on your phone. At the bottom center of the app, tap the shield icon, which is the Steam Guard section. This area contains your mobile security and authenticator controls. Next, tap the settings or gear icon inside that section. That will bring up the authenticator settings for your account. From there, select Remove Authenticator. Steam will ask you to confirm this action, so make sure you read the warning before proceeding. Once you confirm the removal, the mobile authenticator will be taken off your account. After that, your Steam account will automatically switch back to email verification for login codes instead of using the phone app. That means you'll still have a layer of protection, but your login approval method will be different. If you're doing this because you change phones or just want to simplify your login process, this is the option you want. But if you trade items, use the community market, or care about account security, think carefully before removing or disabling Steam Guard. In many cases, keeping it enabled is the safer choice. So to quickly recap, if you want to disable Steam Guard on desktop, go to Steam, then Settings, then Security, then Manage Steam Guard, and choose Turn Steam Guard off. If you only want to remove the mobile authenticator, open the Steam mobile app, tap the shield icon, open the gear settings, and choose Remove Authenticator. And that's how to disable Steam Guard in Steam. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.